Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel Android Tips. If you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, please do subscribe now and please hit the bell icon for latest Android tips videos. So today I'm going to show you how to use text stickers and to draw on your Facebook story. So I'll show you, and it's very easy and simple steps to do. First thing, you need to go to create a story, and you can select any pictures or you can click any pictures by tapping here. You can see the camera option, so I will select this picture. So I'll show you how to add stickers on your post. So you can see the sticker option is here, top right corner. So you just tap here and you can select any sticker, text stickers or Sunday. So to draw, you can see the option here, third option. So you can see you can draw, you can draw easily. So I hope you all understand the video and I hope you all like it. Thank you for watching the video.